Well, for those of you who are interested in writing about Hale, and I've got a couple of readings here. One of them, Hale is a sociopath. You can look and see how many of these characteristics really apply to him, and of course find those places in the book where they do apply. There's 7 of them. And a lot of them really make sense for him. So that would be one way. And keep in mind the goal is that you want to combine from 2 sources. That is from the book and from the short article, and it's called a synthesis. So you need to bring material from 2 sources to bear on the same idea, 1 paragraph at a time. Or, in this case, 1 trait at a time of the 7 of them. And you can see them listed down here. The other way, I kind of like this other article. It's a similar one, short, of a similar depth, I should say. But is Hale more of a sociopath or a psychopath? That might work too. If you want to do that, or just borrow from this, from some of the language from this to talk about Hale as either, part sociopath, part psychopath. And you can use both articles if you want, but the idea is that each paragraph would have text from 2 sources, Hale from the book, and then 1 or 2 of these articles. So that'd be kind of a simple way. This will give you some good background on just basic blunt definitions. The goal here is not to be too complex, but it is to get you used to bringing a couple of sources to bear on the same topic. And so for those of you who are interested in Hale, maybe this will help explain what the sources are and how to use them.